GEVO stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1 minute video till the end, find out. So how I'm looking at things currently with Gevo Incorporated is that beforehand I had like a bearish idea, and then the next day we went up absolutely crazy. But if you followed the market and you were here when it opened, you would have known this. 60% up, right? So how are we looking at things now? Well, I'll get rid of all this stuff. Very all over the place, to say the least. Ding, ding. Well, whilst it's pumping now, I'm looking to just milk the most that I can out of this. So how's that going to look like? Well, boom, 15-minute charts here. If I sort of see the price pull down, it gives me a confirmation, then yeah, sure, I'm looking to take it up. But like me randomly buying, man, it's not going to be happening. And I really doubt that this will be pulling this down lower, but guess what? I'm not going to assume stuff. I'll just react to whatever the price is going to give me. And this is what's worked for me. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated.